Hello, my name is David Stedronsky, and for this presentation, I'll be showing you a water sports weather app that I've designed called Vela. First and foremost, I just want to say is I really enjoyed designing this app. It was really fun for me. I've been a surfer and an overall water sports enthusiast for years now. So it's really fun to design something that I might actually use myself in the future. From a design standpoint, I really tried to keep things clean and simple and just give the user what they need to make an educated decision of whether or not to get out to the water and nothing else. So I hope you find that I've succeeded in that. For this particular presentation, I'll just be going through a few of the functions that a user might encounter when they're using the app. For this presentation, also the perspective is that from a current user who's already been using the app for a little while. And so yeah, let's get started here. So quickly brought to a landing page. Try to keep things simple and clean. So just a basic image, some text, and your call to action down here. Again, we are a current user, so we're just going to go ahead and log in. And your basic login form, email and password. And we can log in and we wind up here on our dashboard, which is also where the user is going to have all of their favorites and a list of thumbnails that they've saved as they've been using the app, and that way they can quickly access all their favorite locations. Also on this dashboard we have our menu, our slide out drawer here, where users can get back to their dashboard, access profile and settings, as well as a help desk, or just log out completely. Also on this dashboard we have our search options, whether it be the type in search option or the map function. So we'll go ahead and get started with some of the functionality. We're going to be searching for a location called El Porto that the user has been told about and wanted to check out. So you can click on our search icon here, type in El Porto, and it's going to bring up a list of all locations, all relevant locations with the name El Porto for the user to select from. In our case, we're going to be looking for the El Porto that's in Manhattan Beach, California, so we'll click on that. And it brings us to our location page. So it'll be the similar layout for all location pages. You'll have obviously still your menu functions, search functions, name of the location. This would be actually your live webcam if it's available, or a still image of the location. We have our weather data for wave height, tides, wind speed and direction, air temperature, water temperature, quick overview of the current conditions, as well as a forecast for upcoming days. And if the user decided that they wanted to save this location back to their favorites, to their dashboard, just a simple toggle of the little favorites icon here. So with that, we'll head back to the dashboard and we'll go through the functionality of that same search, only with the map function rather than the type in search function. So we'll click on our map function. It's going to prompt you to allow the app to use your location, streamlining that search process. So we'll go ahead and allow that, and brings us to a map right at the user's current location, also bringing up locations that are nearby. And once again, we're searching for that El Porto location, which is right here in the screen. So we'll click on that. Brings us to our location page, and once again, same functionality up top. And if we wanted to save this to our favorites, we have that option. So in this case, we'll go ahead and save that to the favorites, head back to our desktop. Now you can see that El Porto location has been saved as a thumbnail along with the rest of the favorites for this particular user. So that about wraps it up. I appreciate your time. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I appreciate any feedback you had for me. Thanks, and have a good day.